Hello friends, welcome to my channel HS Wari. Friends, today in this video I am going to show how to receive your message delivery report in your oppo a57 mobile phones. Friends, when we are sending a normal message, we are not getting, if you are not getting your delivery report, then you have to do one setting. Okay, first, friends, in maximum mobile phone, this delivery report setting is in your message settings only. You can just I will show you, open the message, and there are some setting options in this, and from there you can get enable your delivery report. But in oppo a57 this is not here. For enable the setting for receiving this delivery report, you have to go to your mobile phone setting, and from there you can enable this. Okay, first, I will show you. I just simply type message and send, and you will see the delivery report at the bottom. Friends, you are not, is delivery report is not pop up. Yes, you can see just mean message received, the delivery report arrived. Okay, for getting, if you are not, if this is delivery report is not shown in your mobile phone, then go to your mobile phone setting. First of all, friends, I will show you that I am using oppo a57. Click on about phone. Friends, in my all videos I am first showing that I am using which mobile phone for making this video, and talking about which phone, and I am probably show in all my videos that I am using which mobile phone. Okay, now you can see the device name oppo a57 that I am using for making this video and showing you this. Now go to setting, and you can see the third function is messages. Just click on this message, and click on this advanced. Now you can see the second option, delivery report. Just on this delivery report if this is not on in your mobile phone. Now if I'm switching off this, then I'm trying to send the message. Let's see what happened. This report is arrived or not. You can see the message is sent, but the delivery report is not arrived. So if you switching on this from here, and sending the message, you will see the delivery report. Wherever window you are opening, you can just mean message received. Whichever, wherever, in which window in your mobile phone, you will see this notification on the bottom of your mobile phone screen. So friends, hope you like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.